Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, compass, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.